What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be talking about what is Amazon FBA. We're going to be breaking down exactly what the FBA program is and breaking down some huge misconceptions. So if you are at all interested in selling on Amazon or becoming an e-commerce seller and you're unfamiliar with some of the ways that Amazon operates, this video is made exactly for you. I'm Sieben. I am a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller, and I have this channel dedicated to helping people that are interested in selling on Amazon themselves. Without further ado, let's hop into today's video. Alright guys, so what is Amazon FBA and how does it work? So Amazon FBA, or Fulfilled by Amazon, is essentially a fulfillment method in which Amazon will take over your inventory that you plan on selling to their platform. They will distribute them throughout their warehouses located across the country, and when a customer makes an order, they will actually ship that item to the customer. And as sellers, we will pay them a fee to do all of this work for us. So here's a screen grab from Amazon's website themselves. And so this tells you a little bit more in depth exactly how the Amazon FBA program works. So let's go ahead and read along. So step 1, set up Amazon FBA. Create an Amazon selling account, log into Seller Central to set up FBA, right? Create your product listing. So you need to obviously add your products, add them into the FBA inventory. You're gonna prepare your products, so make sure they're safe and secure transportation according to Amazon's packaging guidelines and shipping and routing requirements. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna actually ship your products into Amazon, right? So you're gonna create your shipping plan, print your Amazon labels, and send them into an Amazon fulfillment center where they can then be processed. So that in a nutshell is what FBA is. So it is a common misconception that Amazon FBA is a style of selling on Amazon, or it relates to how you get your products, how you sell your inventory. It is essentially a fulfillment method in which you can use and leverage Amazon's existing warehousing and logistics platform to your advantage as a seller, right? And so talking about the different fulfillment methods, there is FBA and there's FBM. So FBA we just talked about. FBM is fulfilled by merchant. So essentially what you do is you list your products on Amazon. When a customer buys the product, you're gonna then take it from your house, facility, whatever, and ship it directly to the customer, right? So we're not shipping to Amazon's warehouse for them to do that part. We're shipping direct to the customers, right? So every single order that gets made has to be individually packaged and sent off to the end consumer. And so you're sitting there and you're saying, why would someone do FBM when FBA is available, right? And so this is exactly why the FBA program was created, for sellers that are just looking to streamline their business. So it's great for people who have a full-time job or have other things going on and they're unable to fulfill orders all day, or they don't want to store inventory at their own warehouse if they're in the situation to have one, right? So by sending it in bulk to Amazon's warehouses, we can avoid doing a lot of that work as sellers and take advantage of the platform that they've actually set up for us. If you guys are liking this content, if you are finding this helpful and valuable whatsoever, please make sure you consider smashing that like button. It helps out the channel immensely. It helps us get out to more people, and it lets other people coming in know that the content is liked, it's positive, and people are getting value from it, right? Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. So just hit that subscribe button below and you'll get notified when I post new videos. And so at the end of the day, coming back to that common misconception, well, I thought Amazon FBA was how I sell my products on Amazon, right? Where do I get products? How do I go about actually starting on Amazon? If I've never ran a business before, I don't have a product to sell yet, and I need to know what the first steps are, right? Well, there's a number of different resources that I have available for you. I will link a Selling on Amazon playlist here above. So when this video is complete, feel free to head over and check out some of my videos where I break down the different models of selling on Amazon, whether it's online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, wholesale, or even private label, and you can get some more information on those different selling methods. Additionally, if you guys are interested in Amazon wholesale, the majority of the videos on this channel will be centered around Amazon wholesale. If you guys want to go check those videos out after this video, please feel free to do that. As well, down in the description below, I do have a free guide, 100% free. Just put in your name and email and I will send you a free guide where you can get more information on what the first steps are to start up that business, as well as if you want to follow along and join a community of like-minded people and Amazon sellers, I do have a completely free Facebook group down in the description as well if you are looking to get started. If you guys have any more questions about this business model, feel free to drop them down in the comment section. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if you have any questions about Amazon FBA, Amazon wholesale, or selling on Amazon in general, and I would love to help you out. Other than that, guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and even hit that little bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. Other than that, that is all I have for this one. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.